In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your drafting document. And these are some of the standard components that you'll see on any document, any drafting document. First, what I want you to pay attention to is notice the red words and arrows and stuff. Those are not for you to write down on your drafting paper. Those are just for me for instruction to show you, to point out things and let you know what those are. But I'll go over these. First off, we start with a 1/4 inch border all the way around the page. And this is with a ruler, not with a scale. This is with a regular 1 inch equals 1 inch ruler. So it's a 1/4 inch border all the way around. And again, make sure to use your tools to draw these with. Use your parallel bar for the horizontals and your parallel bar and a triangle for the verticals. Down at this end here, you're going to have this section. This is the a 2-inch title section. So basically from the border here, okay, and I'm right there. From that border all the way up here to right there is 2 inches, and it goes all the way across the page. And then 3 inches in from here, from the bottom border up to right here. Okay, so from here up to here, that is 3 inches. So those are the sections that we have here. Is the 3-inch section here, and then of course this whole section is 2-inch. Within here, inside here, where the text is, where the name and title and stuff like that is, those are, I believe, see this quarter, was it a quarter? No, a 1/2 inch. It's a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch, 1 inch, another 1/2 inch, 2 inches. So basically 1/2 inch of space in each one of these text cells. And a lot of these lines you see, these are just my construction lines. On the photo, they tend to come out a little bit stronger. But those are my construction lines. You wouldn't need to draw lines that dark. Your construction lines need to be very light, and of course eventually you're going to erase a lot of those, or as much of them as you can, to kind of clean up your work, and we'll go over that later as well. Now the lettering here for the company logo and or company name, I have in 1/2 inch lettering. Okay, and see, that's the 2-inch title section. Right here it says for each 1/2 inch text cells with 1/4 inch letters. I'm sorry, I did not finish editing that right there. I made a mistake, and I needed to go back and edit that. But that's what that is. 1/4 inch lettering inside of the cells here. Now, as far as the letter sizes and your cell sizes and things like that, all that will change depending on the size of the paper. This paper right here is it's called drafting paper. It is 12 inches tall by 18 inches wide. What you have been using thus far, you've probably been using standard 8.5 by 11, or you've been using a tabloid paper, which is 11 by 17. You haven't used the drafting paper yet, but you will use the drafting paper on this one. So I'll go over that in class so that you know distinctly what they are. You know, if I tell you to get some drafting paper, you know to get the 11 by 17. If I tell you to get, if I tell you to get drafting paper, get the 12 by 18. If I tell you to get the tabloid paper, then you'll get the 11 by 17. Okay, so it's really pretty simple. There's nothing complicated about this at all. So this is what you're going to set up on Wednesday. And of course, if you're watching this video, you've probably already set one up. This is mainly as a recap, I guess. and for those who weren't available to be there. Okay, so anyway, that's it.